Hey, I'm Rob, welcome back to Rotolight. Last year, Rotolight launched and released the AEOS 2 and Neo 3 via a very successful Kickstarter campaign. And recently have announced a new crowdfunding campaign for the next generation of these lights. And we finally got our hands on some. Introducing the AEOS 2 and Neo 3 Pro. Rotolight were kind enough to send us out both an AEOS 2 and Neo 3 Pro to check out today. On the surface, the Pros will look pretty familiar to their non-Pro counterparts. Other than the red solid metal knobs added to the Neo, which is a big upgrade from the plastic ones on the older model, and the striking red anodized handles on the AEOS. This similarity is for two reasons. Most of the upgrades are under the hood, and the other reason being Rotolight maintaining their amazing backwards compatibility with all their accessories. Like the AEOS 2 or Neo 3's soft boxes or barn doors, for example. And the form factor even mimics the original AEOS and Neos as well. So all your old accessories will still fit perfectly on the Pros. When the AEOS 2 and Neo 3 released, they were already the brightest lights in their classes. And one of the new biggest selling points of the Pros is that they are even brighter. Up to 25% brighter to be exact, which is pretty insane seeing as how bright the originals were already. And for you flash photographers out there, the Pros now support Godox flash transmitters, giving you much more choice when it comes to your gear, as the Godox style transmitters are way more common than the Elinchrom, that they still do support alongside the Godox ones. The Godox ones are a little bit more wallet friendly too. Of course, you still have the choice of both whites and 16.7 million colours, not only in continuous, but in all flash modes too, including high-speed sync, which still has a 0 recycle time. But alongside that, the Pros also now come with what they are calling the Masters of Light preset pack, which gives you quick access to over 100 preset colours, hand-picked by Rotolight's ambassadors, which includes world-leading photographers, and even some custom special effects presets from Emmy award-winning filmmakers. Talking about special effects, the AEOS 2 and Neo 3 now come with 4 new exclusive effects, in addition to the already huge selection offered by the originals. The new effects include fireworks, candlelight, party, and throb. Bit suggestive naming on that one, but it's like an alien throbbing effect. It's kind of hard to explain, but you can see it's very throb-like. A byproduct of all these new quick access presets is that the Pros now feature a very useful selection of Kelvin presets. This essential tool was admittedly missing from the original AEOS 2 and Neo 3, where you would have to have dialed in each Kelvin value manually every time. Finally, what we see as being the most pro feature of these lights is the introduction of FDIM Mode. Previously only seen in their bigger heavy-duty lights like the Titans, FDIM allows you to dial in your camera's ISO and shutter, along with the light's distance from your subject, to give you a light readout in f-stops, allowing you to expose correctly super fast without the need of a light meter. Wild. And everything I've mentioned today is all fully controllable on their still super bright, big and responsive touchscreen on the back of the lights, or even via the Rotolight Android and iOS app, which includes access to colour, gels, effects, flash, and even the preset packs, all wirelessly over your phone. Rotolight definitely looked at their successful Kickstarter launch they had last year and said, no, we can't stop now, and have continued to squeeze more and more features into their already feature-rich lights. I have to say, these are very much the AEOS 2 and Neo 3, but much more pro. And thank you very much for watching our early hands-on look at the new Rotolights. If you're looking at grabbing either one of these for yourself, luckily, at the time of this video going live, the Indiegogo campaign has just been extended, so you still have a chance to grab one for the reduced early bird pricing. So, pre-order one now while you still can. But for the full information on pricing, discounts and availability, head over to rotolight.com or the Indiegogo campaign for the AEOS 2 and Neo 3 Pro. And as always, I've been Rob, this has been Firebyte. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified whenever we put out a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.